everybody, welcome back to Quilts on Tour. My name is Alicia, and today's video we're just going to talk about some of the projects that I want to video for you. So make sure you leave a comment below on the first project that you want me to show you. Should be a lot of fun. So let's dive right in. So the first project is this pillow. It's not quite a pillow yet, but I just used a charm pack. I used my Cricut to write the words welcome and some heat bond. We'll go over that, how I did all that in the video, and we're going to make this into a cute little welcome pillow. I can't wait to show you how I did that. It was a lot of fun, and it matches a table runner actually that I have downstairs in my kitchen, so that should be a lot of fun. Another thing that I'm working on is this quilt for my sister. It's called Feathers by the Pattern Basket. It's a super cute pattern. The birds are just, they're just so sweet and dainty. But when I started making this, I couldn't find anywhere online that showed how to assemble the block. And it's kind of a complicated block. Here's one that's finished. I have 5 of these done and I need about 30. So on one of them, I'll show you how to read the instructions and to put it together. It is a purchased pattern. You can go to their website, thepatternbasket.com, to purchase the pattern. So I can't go over the dimensions of the different cuts, but we can definitely show you how to read the pattern, to lay out and sew together. The other thing that I'm working on is this quilt called Building Blocks from Missouri Star Quilt Company. This actual quilt is for me. I haven't made one for me yet, so this is mine. I'm spoiling myself. I actually bought all of these fabrics from Missouri Star online. There's some really cute ones in here. It was a layer cake pack that I got put together. So the only thing left to do on this one is to sew the blocks together and then sew those rows together and put the border on. I'm not going to show you how to do that with this quilt, but I am going to use this quilt to show you how to use the pull noodle method to make your quilt sandwich. I'm excited about that method. I haven't tried it yet, but it looks so much easier than what I was doing before, so we can learn together. So my next thing is I got this really cute little fabric here with these little turkeys from Hobby Lobby today actually, and I'm going to turn these into placemats. So I want to make a little video to show you how I'm going to do that. As I was looking at this today, these turkeys would be perfect like for fussy cutting, to applique them onto something. They would be super cute for that, but I'm just going to do a standard table or placemat with these. They're super cute. I think the little feathers look like little quilt fabrics. It's really cute. The next thing that I've been working on, and we went on vacation last week up into the mountains in the Poconos, and we were lucky if we got any kind of cell reception. There's no TV, no nothing. So I needed something to keep my little hands busy. So I started working on this English paper piecing, and this is the first time that I've actually done this. They're little hexagons that you cover with fabric, and then you'll end up sewing them together. So one thing I'd like to show you is how I've figured out how to do this, and then we will make a quilt out of them. I only probably have about 25 done, and I need a lot more than that. So it might be a while till we get that video. But I can at least, if you guys want, leave a comment. Let me know if you want me to show you how I sew the hexies. I don't like the glue. I think it leaves too much of a mess. I actually sew them together. Another thing that I want to show how to use is this apple core template. I got these again from Missouri Star Quilt Company. It is one of my favorite places to get quilting supplies from. She has so many good tutorials on YouTube. Just a wealth of knowledge, and she seems like a really sweet person. I hope one day to meet her in person. But anyways, I was going to take this apple core template and this Christmas fabric that I have here and maybe make a table runner out of it, or some placemats or something with this for Christmas. And also this mini tumbler template I got from Missouri Star Quilt Company. Might make placemats out of these. This would make a cute little border around the edge of something. So we'll play around with this one day. And I also have these super cute little cowgirl and cowboy panels that I got from, I actually ordered these off of Etsy. This quilt store that I went to, I saw the doll already made, but they didn't have any more of these panels. And these are by Moda Fabric. And I just went to Etsy and searched cowgirl doll panel, and this came right up. And they are just really cute. And I can't wait to make these. I have the cowgirl, and there's a little cowboy. He's adorable too. Here we go. So they each have their own little quilts, and there's instructions, so we'll walk through that. And I also want to make, these are for my niece for Christmas, so shh, don't tell her. She's only 2, so she's probably not even watching, but she loves chickens, so I'm going to make little chickens for her to round up with her cowboys and cowgirls. So it should be a lot of fun to make those. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Let me know if there's one that you want me to start with. And make sure you subscribe. There will be a giveaway once we hit 200 subscribers. And once we hit 100 subscribers, I will let you know what we're giving away. So make sure you share, get your friends to subscribe, get your mother, get anybody to subscribe, and we'll have a lot of fun. Thanks. Bye.